The Advanced Business Connect Academy, managed under the auspice of the South African Advanced Healthcare Professionals, is proud to announce their 2019 mentorship workshops for Gauteng, Limpopo and KZN. Please take note of the following workshop dates for your province. Gauteng, 5th April 2019, we will be at Wright Milner's headquarters in Kyalami, Midrand from 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. Limpopo, 25th May 2019, we will be at the Ranch Protea Hotel, Polokwane from 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. KZN, 29th June 2019, we will be at the Protea Hotel Durban Edward from 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. If you live in and around these areas, we urge you to attend the workshops. In order to attend the mentorship workshops, you will need to have registered as a full member of the SAAHP. To register, visit www.abcacademy.co.za to download your registration form, or email a request to registrations@abcacademy.co.za. Please note, Gauteng registrations close on Tuesday, 2nd April 2019. Limpopo registrations close 22nd May 2019. And Durban registrations close 26th June 2019. Only fully registered members who have attended the workshops will be eligible to receive follow-up mentorship and continuous assistance at their new and current practices for the duration of their membership with the SAAHP. ABC, turning your profession into a professional business.